Drone-captured aerial photos and video offers flexible and customizable perspectives and insights that stationary cameras simply cannot capture. We help you show off the breathtaking scenic views and neighborhood context that future tenants will admire, as well as the interior finishes progress. C.D. Smith can collaborate with your marketing personnel for video post-production and branding needs. Many of our clients like to receive progress updates in this format for board of director updates, marketing, promotional videos, public awareness, or tenant sales. For more on what we can do with drones, visit the Drone Solutions page on our website.